An orange contains vitamins, especially vitamin C, minerals like potassium and calcium, dietary fiber, and natural sugars. Every type of orange has nearly 100% of your recommended daily amount of vitamin C. All you have to do to get this key vitamin is peel and eat vitamin C in oranges. Helps your body to protect your cells from damage. Helps your body make collagen, a protein that heals wounds and gives you smooth skin and makes it easier to absorb iron to fight anemia, and boosts your immune system. Your body defends against germs. Vitamin C slows the advance of age-related defects, a leading cause of vision loss. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant and it helps fight cancer causing free radicals. Oranges benefit the skin by supporting collagen production, which improves firmness and elasticity, while antioxidants protect against aging and environmental damage. Key benefits include brighter, clearer, and more hydrated skin, along with a reduction in acne, inflammation, and signs of aging like wrinkles and dark spots. These benefits come from the vitamin C, citric acid, and antioxidants found in both the fruit and its peel. The high vitamin C content stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections. Vitamin C helps your body absorb iron, which is essential for carrying oxygen throughout the body and fighting fatigue. It helps your heart health and maintains healthy blood pressure. Oranges are a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. It lowers the bad cholesterol. The fiber in oranges can help lower bad LDL cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. It supports blood vessel function. Flavonoids in oranges help support the function of blood vessels. It enhances eye health. Oranges contain vitamin A, as beta-carotene, and other antioxidants that can protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Digestion and weight management. It helps to enhance the digestion. The dietary fiber in oranges promotes healthy digestion. It helps regulate bowel movements and can prevent constipation. Oranges support weight management also. As a low-calorie, high-fiber snack, oranges can help you feel full longer and reduce overall calorie intake. Other benefits. Antioxidants in oranges can help reduce inflammation in the body. Oranges may prevent kidney stones. The citrate in oranges can help increase levels of citrate in the urine, which prevents the formation of calcium-based kidney stones. It supports healthy pregnancy. Oranges are a good source of folate, an essential B vitamin that helps prevent birth defects. The best times to eat oranges are in the morning on an empty stomach for optimal nutrient absorption and energy, or between meals as a snack to curb hunger. Avoid eating oranges immediately after a large meal to prevent indigestion and heaviness. Optimal times to eat oranges. It also provides a quick energy boost from natural sugars. Oranges are a great choice for afternoon snack to help you feel full and prevent overeating at your next meal. You can snack on an orange before a workout for energy or after to help refuel your body. If you feel good, please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe.